Milwaukee's cordless Sawzall. It's the fuel version, so it's brushless. It cuts about 3,000 strokes per minute and has an inch and an eighth stroke on it, so it cuts really well. Let's put the blade in it. You just use that device there to hold it open and slide the blade in, and then that locks it in place when it returns. Now we'll put another piece. Let's go with threaded rod this time. You always want to start your cut with the shoe against your cutting material, or else it's going to bounce everywhere, and that's no fun. And as you can see, that's 1-inch threaded rod, so it takes a little bit to cut, but that cut through pretty quick. One thing to note about the blade I'm using with this 1-inch threaded rod is that I'm using a 14-tooth blade. That would be a little bit too aggressive for some thinner materials, because you want to have at least 2 teeth in the cutting material at all times. So if you're cutting something a lot thinner, you'll want to use a finer tooth count blade. For example, I have some strut in the truck. Let's change this blade out for an 18-tooth and cut it. Go. The shoe also moves to accommodate the angle that you're cutting at. As you can see, it goes from that angle to there. It's also adjustable. If you move this clip out, you can change the depth of the shoe so you can use a new part of the blade as your blade starts to wear.